Hello everyone, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is what is the use of text object in QlikView. As you can see, I have loaded a data named as coffee chain sales. So if you want to give a name to this particular sheet or this particular QlikView document, and we have to represent a table or we have to represent a chart, so we can give heading with the help of text object. So in this particular QlikView document, you have to right click, go to new sheet object, go to this particular text object. You can type over here as coffee sales. If you want to change the background color, you can change it to any other type. So if you want it in the form of big size, so we can do it in bold. You can add the caption also. Now it's okay. We'll apply and click on OK. So this is basically the text box which we have created. Now if you want to edit this particular text box, you can go to this particular property and you can change it as per our requirement. So next thing is that if you want to take an example of table, if you want to represent the data in the form of table box, I will add all the quantities. I will click on apply and click on OK. So this is basically the table which I want to represent over here. So this is an example. If you want to change it, we can also change it. I hope you have understood how to create a text object. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.